The Belkin USB swivel charger is the perfect travel companion to protect and charge your laptop, smartphone, and tablet on the go. To get started, remove the plug cover and slide it into the bottom of the charger. If you need more space, the charger rotates up and out of the way so it doesn't block both outlets. Next, plug the USB swivel charger into your wall outlet. To charge a smartphone or tablet, use the cable that came with your device. Next, plug the opposite end of the cable into your device. If your charger has its own power supply, you can plug it directly into one of the three surge-protected outlets. Charge, and you're good to go.